Welcome. Just want to go over a simple standard deviation problem, and that's because it only has three numbers and it's just asking for you for the standard deviation. So this is question number 5 from your homework. So how are we going to do this? Well, you're going to open Desmos or desmos.com, and when you do, you probably want to choose the graphing calculator. And then in the top left corner, it has a little plus. You can add an expression or a note, but we want a table. So we're going to add a table, and that way we can record the values. And then if we go back to our question and look at the values, it's 117, 141, and 198. That's what I'm going to put in my table. So 117, 141, 198. It's not a bad idea to double check to make sure you recorded the numbers correctly, because really that's the only thing that can go wrong is we're putting the wrong numbers on the table. Now, we open a different cell. I'm going to cell number 2, and here I could just type the function, but if I don't remember what the function is, you can hit Show Keyboard in the bottom left corner, and then from the Functions menu, you want to choose the Stats functions. And then there's STDEVP, that's for the population standard deviation, not to be confused with the sample standard deviation, which is not what you're looking for. So you want to go with the standard deviation P. And then it has a little exclamation point because it doesn't know what you're trying to do. So you need to type X1 to tell it to use that list that you wrote earlier. So I type X1, and then down here it says the standard deviation is 33.97, or if you're rounding to the nearest tenth, 34. So, all right, that's how you do standard deviation with a simple problem. Should we try it on the answer? To the nearest tenth, so we'll put 34. Let's see what it says. All right. Next, we'll go over how to do a slightly more complicated one.